Okay, so I want to go down some alleys. So this is an alley right here. And the alleys have a lot of stuff going on. There's like tailor shops. This is a laundry shop, it looks like. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. All kinds of stuff on all the side streets. Looks like just kind of a restaurant of some kind. Different foods, grains, I guess. Housing as well as in this area. This is a bike shop right here. Fixing a bike. So you kind of got all kinds of stuff around here. This one you have a whole, got a deer, I guess. Just gonna walk by this deer. So we're just gonna walk by. Oops, I guess they're cleaning, sorry. This is a whole little alley. I guess I didn't realize they were cleaning. So let's just see, here's a restaurant in here. So, this Budweiser's for you. This is a alley. So, okay. This is a hairdresser shop. This one says sex toys right there. I don't know. That alley might be a special alley. Okay, so that was a couple little alleys right there. And now we're back up on a main, kind of a main street anyways. And we're just gonna walk up a little bit further. I don't know, I might go back down the alley again and kind of wander around a little bit. So this street, there's some hotels at the corner, and we're just gonna walk down. So there's a guy behind me trying to get around me. Let's see. Hello. There he goes. So straight ahead there's like a little fish market, so I kind of want to walk by that. A lot of people with the bells. That's what people do when they try to get around you, is do the bells. Okay, so this is fresh food right here. That's the vegetables. Maybe we'll walk on this. You can smell it. I can smell it. You can visibly see it. All kinds of vegetables. Some of them are even making them, preparing them. We're on a bike, if you remember that from the last video. You can see those everywhere. So we're just gonna kind of wander into these back alleys and streets a little bit, show you what we can see. And I think I'm gonna go either way here. Could go that way, but I think I'm gonna go this way. Cleaning some fish. Restaurant. Hair salon. So we're just gonna keep going. Very makeshift bike. Looks like it was welded. And we're just gonna kind of follow the path, just kind of see what we can see in here. It's like a shop of some kind. Another shop. Another shop. Best Express. Shipping things. Let's just see what else we can see here. I think this is kind of a dead end in this area. I think this might be a dead end too, so a shop there. Okay, so we're gonna walk back a little bit. Let's see here. This is kind of a car that's looks like it's in storage, sort of. So we're just gonna walk straight ahead, but you can get an idea for these back alleys of Zhuhai. And if you're curious, Zhuhai is sometimes known as one of the most livable cities in China, and I kind of like it. It's very walkable, so I can walk everywhere easily from the border of Macau. Streets, these are kind of out in the middle of the street, right? Oh, jeez. So I don't know. Let's see what some of this. It's like Sichuan. Let me see. It's Sichuan food right there. So, okay. It's like a big hotel right there. Yeah, it's Sichuan. Okay, so maybe that's good for this alley. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.